Kwiragwo watho ni mucumari utemaga mbere na thutha na umuthi mathaa-ini ma miaraho munini wa mucirithania munene Philomena Mwilu ekorari mwena uri ungi wa watho thutha wake guikia ngono ari igoti-ini ikaru. Mbere yake guikio ngono mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi na munene wa ruhonge rwa uthuthuria George Kinoti nimekwambite kugia na giikaro na mucirithania munene David Maraga itanya inene ari kumumenyithia ndeto ino.
The DCI forwarded to me an investigation file relating to the Deputy Chief Justice, which I have perused and given directions. This afternoon, I informed the Chief Justice David Maraga of my decision to grant consent for the arrest and prosecution of the Deputy Chief Justice, Lady Justice Philomena Mwilu, on criminal charges.
Thutha wake guikio ngono Mwilu erekereirio imwe kwa imwe nginyagia wabici-ini cia uthuthuria mwena wa Kiambu kuria ahungirwo mahuri mathaa maigana una na thutha ucio imwe kwa imwe nginyagia igoti-ini inene kuria ahinguririrwo thitango imwe cia ciore mahitia ma kwamukira ngombo ya ciringi milioni 12 iria ciacungire kugwa gwa bengi ya Imperial Bank. Ingĩ cia thitango ni kwaga kuriha igoti kuri KRA, kuthira wabici ya muingi uru o ũndũ ũmwe na kwamukira kiheo kia mbeca mugaru na mawatho ma giturwa kiria ehokeirwo.
The evidence in our possession reveals that 1. Lady Justice Mwilu abused her office for personal gain, accepted a gift in the form of money in circumstances which undermined public confidence in the integrity of her office, obtaining execution of a security belonging to Imperial Bank Limited, now in receivership by false pretense, unlawful failure to pay taxes, conducted herself in disregard of the law.
Nona kure uguo Mwilu uria ukurugamirirwo ni mawakiri 10 niarekereirio na mbodi ya mundu kiumbe ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 5 itua riria ikinyaniirwo ni mucirithania wa macira megemaine na ngukumio Lawrence Mugambi. Nona kure uguo Haji niatitirithetie ati giki no kiambiriria akiuga no nginyagia aria mehokeirwo gutuithania macira maria matuikite murigo kuri a Kenya maigiririke. Haji nionanirie kimako kinene kumana na uria aria mehokeirwo baruthi wa kihoto meigiranitie na ungumania.
There can be no justice if lawyers, prosecutors, magistrates, judges and investigators who are court officials use their position to enrich themselves at the expense of the Kenyan people.
It is important to note that that is the judiciary that we have, and that is the arm of the government that we have to work with, and we have faith in it.
Mweri wa gatandatu jaji munene David Maraga ni augire gutirio kwagararwo ni watho gutekumakania kana araruta wira rungu rwake. Ciumia igiri hituku kigomano-ini kiria kiarehire hamwe jaji munene wa Afrika ya muhuro ni ahinyire ati no nginyagia majaji mahinyie bara ya kurua na ungumania matekwenderera mwena o wothe. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.